This is Michael with electromeds.com, and I'm here in Connecticut, and I've met this great guy, Jimmy. Jimmy has been using the PM, our Phoenix 8000, which is a PMF high Gauss machine. Um, Jimmy, tell me a little bit about some of the issues that has happened to you over the last few years.
Well, about 38 months ago, I had a debilitating stroke. And from what I understand, there's three different types of strokes, and mine was the worst. Mine had the most chronic pain. And after using the machine in just 2 sessions, there's been a significant reduction in the chronic pain. I'm looking forward to continue use of the machine to eliminate it completely.
Well, can you tell us a little bit about some of the pain issues? Now, I know you had some issues on your left side, but give us a description on exactly what your pain, what was feeling like.
It was like, I don't know if you ever saw a commercial on TV with fibromyalgia. It was very similar to that. I had loss of motor and sensory skills on the left side, from the bottom of my foot up through the side, the arm, and the back. And it was like a burning sensation, very burning. Very, very uncomfortable.
Now, notice you, of course, I met you, it's been a few days now, and when you came in yesterday, you were in very severe pain, is that right?
I would say, yeah, on a scale from 1 to 10, it was about 14.
Right, right. Now, I wish I would have taken your picture, we'd have done this yesterday, but we wanted to get you some relief. But what I noticed today, that your color has come back a lot, and you seem to be where it has been working. Now, when you say that when you're dealing with pain, does this? How long did it last? And I know you've been. I know that you're. Oh, by the way, how old are you, Jimmy?
68.
68. Okay, so. So this has reduced the pain. So it was on a 14 yesterday. What did you leave at?
Yesterday, I would say it was down around 7.
7. Okay.
Yeah.
So we had the scale of it at 10. Then it would probably say about a 4.
I would say yesterday was probably cut down by 40%. After today, it was cut down and down to 20%. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, which is a little easier to gauge, it's at maybe a 3 or 4 now.
Right. Now everybody is different now, and everybody's body is different. I've been saying that on my radio show, on my internet, and so Jimmy is one of those that can people that can use this machine an hour at a time. Most people they're not on it as long, but when you have a chronic condition like this one, it seems that you have to use it a bit longer. Is that
right?
Okay.
From what I understand, right, reading the literature and talking to doctors or what have you, the longer it has been that you've had the condition, the more time you have to put in with the machine, because the machine is not it's not magic. It's not a miracle worker. From what I understand, it increases the volume of your white and your red corpuscles, and your body should be able to heal itself. But as we get older and time goes by, it doesn't work as well. But this helps it to work better, much better.
Now, you've used some other systems, haven't you?
Yes.
Okay. And then which one have you used?
The 4000.
Okay, so you used the PMF8000.
Right.
Okay. Now, if you just on your experience, which do you think is better? If you're going to have to if you had to make a decision between, like, say, which one made you feel
better? That's
better?
an unfair question. I know you a lot better than I know the other manufacturer. And what do I think is better? I think this one is better.
Well, that's great. Would you recommend the Phoenix 8000?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Absolutely. What, Jimmy? You're the man. I've definitely seen a change in you. I mean, really. And we've only known each other a few days, right, Jimmy?
Right.
And I know the pain. I know you're a tough guy, and pain can debilitate us, right?
You deal with it.
Yeah.
You know.
You know, and so it's really good to see that you've had some improvement, and I really appreciate your recommendation of the Phoenix 8000.
Anytime, my friend.
Thank you so much, Jimmy.
Thank you.
So we'll be back. So I want everyone to know it's time to you to get your Phoenix 8000.